In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable story replies on Instagram. So once you've loaded up Instagram and you're on the home page, tap at the top left-hand corner where it says your story. That'll take you to the story creator and you can see a little settings gear cog at the top left-hand corner. So tap on that and then you want to tap on the first option underneath camera settings that says story. Then there is the replying section and you want to set it to off. You can set it to your followers can reply, followers you follow back can reply, or turn them off completely. So select off and then you can just go back again and create your story, and then people won't be able to reply to your story. So that is how you disable story replies on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.